Wow, first time that's ever happened. It's been a while since that's ever happened. Cool, put your hand down. Stop it. I'm not kidding around. Dude, I'm serious. Dude, I'm serious. Stop it.
Alright.
This is going without it playing. That's weird. Stop it. No.
Stop.
TWCNEO/3. That's cool. Oh, it's scrolling again. And today's Wednesday. That's cool.
I didn't know that would do that when it's off.
Neither did I.
I'm watching the thing on the DVR.
Cole, quiet! Sheesh.
Bunny rabbit marshmallows! Bunny rabbit marshmallows! Bunny rabbit marshmallows!
I'm surprised it doesn't say EAS on that cable box thing. Oh, it's... Oh my gosh, how many times it's going to be scrolling?
A couple times.
Usually when that scrolls across the screen, it only scrolls once. Or maybe even 2 times. Doesn't say Ashland County, though. Oh well. There we go.